Hello kids. Welcome to the grade 1 to 6.com quiz. Let's learn and have fun. This quiz to hone your math and science skills. Math, science?
Math 4 plus 5 equals. What is the result of this addition? 4 plus 5 equals. What is the result of this subtraction? 5 to 3 equals. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Math. Which one is cube-shaped? Answer, B. Break, continue. Which is called the sun? Answer, A. Science. What natural phenomena appear after rain? Rainbow. Science. Which animal eats grass? Answer, cow. Good luck kids, see you next quiz. Australian curriculum, and even CBSE, giving every child the global edge they deserve. Now that you've mastered the basics, take the next step and become confident in math and English. Subscribe to www.grade1to6.com for just $25 a year or 2,000 rupees a year. High-quality worksheets for grades 1 to 6. Our resources are aligned with PYPIB, Common Core, National Curriculum, Singapore, New Zealand, Australian Curriculum, and even CBSE, giving every child the global edge they deserve. The global edge they deserve. Bye bye kids, see you in the next video.